Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 29th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, a little bit of a slow day. We ended up pushing up to the 61%, and then we ended up and made a pretty nice move down. It looks like a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. With the fact that the daily trend is down, if it does go down, if it does give us a break of structure, it definitely could possibly just keep going down because of the daily time frame being down. But I would kind of expect that if it does go down, it's probably going to end up being like a wave B or maybe a wave 2, and this would be like a wave A or a wave 1. I definitely think it's an A, B, and then possibly go up for a C before it continues down later on this week. But like I said, if it does break structure to the downside, it definitely could continue the higher time frame downtrend. But it all relies on whether or not it breaks structure. It definitely hasn't broken structure yet. There is a possibility that it makes a higher low and just keeps on pushing up. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.